Hey everyone, in today's video we are going to compare two popular scheduling tools, the Calendly and the Zoom Scheduler. So these both are great for scheduling meetings, but they come with different features. So let's break down the pros and cons to help you decide. So here, Calendly and Zoom Scheduler are both scheduling tools, but they have their own unique approach. Calendly is a standalone scheduling platform, while the Zoom Scheduler is specifically designed to schedule Zoom meetings, integrating directly with your Zoom account. Here, the Calendly offers a ton of useful features. You can connect it to your Google Outlook or the iCloud calendars. It supports automated scheduling for one-on-one or group meetings. It allows you to buffer times between meetings. Let's talk about the Zoom scheduler. You can schedule meetings directly within Zoom without needing any external platform. So it automatically includes the Zoom meeting link in your calendar invites. You can set up recurring meetings with ease and manage meeting details such as password or waiting rooms. Here, Calendly shines when it comes to its versatility and integration with other apps. It's great if you need a more generalized scheduling tool. Here the pros of the Zoom is key advantage is that it builds right into the Zoom ecosystem. If you frequently host Zoom meetings, having the scheduler built directly into Zoom make it quick and easy to set up. While the main downside of Calendly is that while it integrates with Zoom, it isn't exclusively focused on Zoom meetings. So if you're only looking for a Zoom specific scheduling tool, Calendly might feel a little overbuilt. So while here in Zoom Scheduler, while simple lacks the flexibility of a tool like Calendly, it's only useful if you're primarily scheduling Zoom meetings. And if you need more robust features like group scheduling, buffer times, or multi-platform, Zoom scheduling might feel limited. So that's it for today's comparison, the Calendly versus Zoom Scheduler. I hope this helped you figure out which tool suits you best. And if you'd like this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.